Hi everyone, this is the third episode reviewing the course and the university with another student. So, can you introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, my name is Vineet. I'm doing Masters in Computer Science here at the University of Liverpool.
So, Vinit, I have few questions for you, and can you please answer that?
So
And
I will try my best.
okay, so what is your course and how did you choose your course?
So I'm doing Masters in Computer Science, and so there were a couple of choices that I had, but I found that the modules that were available that were being offered in this course were the one most suitable for me because I wanted to do study from the ground zero. So like because I have my bachelor's in electronics and communication engineering, so I had always had an interest in computer science. So to enter this field, I thought this was the best course that I could do because it will be giving me knowledge from like the basic from ground zero. So
Oh
yeah,
my god, you're smart and intelligent guy, guys.
thank you, Alima.
You're welcome. So, what are the things you have considering while taking this course as well, University of Liverpool?
So as I told you about the course.
Yeah.
So I looked at the modules, all the modules available, and I liked them. And I thought this is giving me a very good overview of the basics. It will be a good foundation for me when I am entering into this field of computer science. So that's why I chose this course in particular. As for the university, I asked my seniors. There were some of my seniors, my relatives who were already working in the UK. So like they were like Russell Group universities are really good, and you should try to go for them. And after that, I consulted an agency, and they suggested me this university. And once I checked, its ranking was very good. Plus, it was again a Russell Group university with very good rankings in the research outputs. So that is why I chose because I also myself have some research inclinations. So I thought this would be a good place where I could find a mentor for myself.
Oh my god, that's a good answer.
You
And
flatter me, Halima.
thank you. And what are, as you mentioned, you like the modules. How many modules are there? And can you explain a little bit?
Okay, so like we had the 3 semesters. The first 2 semesters consisted of modules. The first semester had 4 modules. The second had 4. The third semester is all full dissertation, and each of them are of equal weightage. They have the same credits.
Oh, okay, perfect.
So in all 9 modules, so 8 will be the like they were taught, and the one is dissertation.
Okay. Did you felt any difficulties among these 8 modules?
No, not really. No,
No. Wow.
I always had my peers and my teachers to help me.
Wow, that's so you're a brilliant guy, I would say again. And
Thank
how
you.
the teaching compared back in your home country as well here? What are the differences you find it?
The differences are not many. I will say. I will say the coursework here is a little bit more lightweight. Like back in India, I have compared. Like I had some of my friends also who have studied their bachelors. I had people studying computer science in their bachelors in my college. So I think compared to them, the coursework here is a little bit more lightweight. There's not much pressure and not much stress here, which I feel is very good. Yeah.
And as you mentioned, not much pressure here and all. Do University of Liverpool offering you any kind of support for your mental health or any stress relief? Do they support you?
Yes, we have a special department for the students, for anyone who is feeling any kind of stress, and we can reach out to them at any time.
Okay, perfect. So, and how will you see yourself after this course?
So,
Like your future plans?
my future plans include building upon the skills that I have learned during this course, and I need to attain a level where I can probably like start my own company, or like yeah, I can build my own brand in the market. So that is my goal for now. Yeah,
So, here is a businessman too.
yeah.
You're an all-rounder, I would say. And the final question, I'm not going to take much time of yours. So, how will you rate your course as well as University of Liverpool? And are you recommending people to study in University of Liverpool or not? And can you rate it in 10 points?
Oh, that's a very tough question actually.
I know.
but like I will definitely suggest people to come to this university. Yeah, it's a very good university.
Mm-hmm.
There's no doubt about it.
Mm.
And okay, let's go for 9. Yeah, I will.
Oh,
I will give the
he-
university 9. I will give the
Wow.
course 9. Yeah.
Vinith has approved 9 points. It's approved. Okay. So, and about the course?
The course too, yeah, 9. It's a very good course, yeah. Probably I would say we could have had a little bit more like new and advanced topics,
Mm-hmm.
because there are some topics which are relevant like in the market. They are more hot running in the market, because the field of computer science is such, like in every 10 years or in every 5 years we have a new technology or a new tool coming up. So I guess in that sense probably it will is lacking, like it will be needed in the course. We need to do something about that. But apart from that, I will, yeah, so probably 7 for the course. Yeah.
7 for the course. I totally understand. So you're saying like a course need to be upgrade few modules
Yeah.
for the latest thing.
Yeah.
Okay,
actually.
perfect. I totally understand that. So thank you for your time, and
Thank you for
I,
having me.
oh sure, and hoping for the best for your future.
Thank you.
Thank
too.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See you.
So this is the 3rd episode, guys, and if you have any doubts, please use the comment section. Bye bye.